Winter's coming fast, and if your car isn't ready, it might leave you out in the cold. Welcome back to Rest and Grease Garage. Today, we're breaking down the essential winter prep your vehicle needs before winter sets in. Let's get into it. Now let's go through the important components to check under the hood and why each one matters during cold weather. Begin by checking your windshield washer fluid and make sure you're using a winter-rated deicer formula. Personally, I use this Rain-X all-season formula. Winter roads tend to leave more dirt, slush, and salt buildup on your windshield, and you'll rely on the washer system more often. Regular fluid can freeze in the reservoir, the lines, or on the windshield, so using this deicer formula ensures the system continues working in freezing temperatures. Coolant, or antifreeze, regulates engine temperature, so here at the reservoir, you'll want to confirm that the coolant level is correct. A weak or low coolant system can lead to overheating, freezing issues, or poor heater performance inside the vehicle. Check your engine oil using the dipstick. Cold temperatures thicken motor oil, which can make it harder for the oil to circulate during startup. Ensuring the oil is clean and at the correct level helps protect the engine from unnecessary wear during cold starts. If your vehicle allows you to check transmission fluid, verify the level and look at the fluid's condition. To properly check the fluid level, make sure the vehicle is up to operating temperature and make sure the vehicle is running. Transmission fluid also becomes thicker in cold weather, and low or degraded fluid can make shifting harder. Inspect the brake fluid reservoir and make sure the level is above the minimum mark. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, and any moisture in the system can reduce braking performance when temperatures drop. Ensuring the fluid is clean and at the proper level helps maintain reliable brake response in winter conditions. Next, inspect your battery. Cold weather significantly reduces battery capacity, so a battery that works fine in the fall may struggle once temperatures drop. Make sure the battery terminals are clean, tight, and free of corrosion. Corrosion can restrict electrical flow and cause weak starts or complete no-start situations in freezing weather. It's also beneficial to invest in a battery tester. These are relatively low-cost tools that allow you to check the health of your battery at home, giving you early warning signs if it's getting weak. If your battery is older or not performing well, it's best to have it tested or replaced before winter sets in. Inspect all belts and hoses for any signs of cracks, wear, or brittleness. Cold temperatures can worsen existing issues quickly. A broken belt or a leaking hose can leave you stranded, and winter is not the season when you want to deal with unexpected breakdowns. Replacing worn components ahead of time is a simple way to prevent problems. Lastly, check your engine air filter. A clean filter allows proper airflow to the engine, which helps with fuel efficiency and smooth performance. In winter, engines can already run less efficiently due to colder, denser air, so ensuring the filter isn't clogged or dirty helps the engine operate as it should. Good tires are one of the most important safety factors when driving in cold, wet, or snowy conditions. Start by checking your tread depth using a tire tread depth gauge. Simply place the gauge into one of the main tread grooves and press it down until it stops. Read the measurement on the scale. For winter driving, it's recommended to have at least 4/32 of an inch of tread, though more is better. Adequate tread depth helps your tires grip the road, push away slush, and maintain traction on wet or icy surfaces. If any of your tires are below this threshold, it's a good idea to replace them before winter. Next, check your tire pressure. Cold temperatures cause air pressure to drop, sometimes by several psi. Look inside the driver's door frame for the manufacturer's recommended pressure and compare that number to your current readings. Inflate the tires to the correct level if they're low. Proper tire pressure helps maintain traction, improves handling, and ensures even tire wear. It also helps maximize braking performance in winter conditions. Look over each tire for any visible damage such as cuts, bulges, or exposed cords. Also inspect for uneven wear, which could indicate alignment issues or improper inflation. Any damage or severe uneven wear should be addressed before winter, as cold temperatures can make existing weaknesses worse. Finally, check the tire's date code. You can find it on the sidewall and the DOT number. The last 4 digits represent the week and year the tire was manufactured. This tire reads 3923, which means it was made in the 39th week of 2023. Tires generally begin to harden and lose effectiveness after about 6 years, even if they still have good tread. Rubber stiffens in cold weather, so older tires can lose traction more easily in winter conditions. If your tires are approaching or past that 6-year mark, consider replacing them before winter. Now let's take a look at what you should keep in your trunk during the winter months. Having the right items on hand can make a big difference if you get stuck, stranded, or need to help someone else on the road. One of the most important items to keep in your trunk is a battery jump pack. These allow you to start your vehicle without needing another car nearby, which is especially helpful during cold weather when batteries tend to fail more often. Many jump packs also include USB ports, so they can double as a power bank to keep your phone charged in an emergency. That can be especially important if you're stuck somewhere without the ability to charge your device. An ice scraper is essential for clearing snow and ice from your windshield and windows. Clear visibility is critical during winter driving, and it's always a good idea to keep a scraper in the trunk or even inside the car for easy access. Carrying a small container of ice melt, sand, or traction granules can help if your tires lose grip on ice. Spreading traction material under the drive wheels can give your vehicle enough bite to get unstuck from a slippery spot. I also keep a roadside emergency kit that includes several useful items. In mine, I have jumper cables, a few basic mechanical tools, a tow strap, a collapsible shovel, an emergency blanket, and several other essentials. Kits like these are helpful during breakdowns, minor repairs, or if you need to help another driver. The emergency blanket is especially useful for staying warm while waiting for help in cold conditions. It's also important to check your spare tire, if your vehicle has one. Make sure it's properly inflated and in good condition. A flat spare or a damaged one won't be helpful if you get a flat tire in freezing weather. While you're at it, confirm you have the jack and tools needed to change a tire. Next, let's talk about 2 simple but important exterior checks for winter driving. Firstly, check all of your exterior lights. Your headlights, high beams, turn signals, brake lights, reverse lights, hazard lights. Winter brings shorter days, darker commutes, and reduced visibility from snow, fog, and heavy cloud cover. Because of that, working lights are essential not only for seeing the road, but for making sure other drivers can see you. If any bulbs are dim or not working at all, replace them before winter sets in. And lastly, inspect your windshield wiper blades. Look for signs of wear such as cracking, tearing, or streaking. Cold temperatures can cause old or worn blades to stiffen, which makes them less effective at clearing snow and road slush from your windshield. Clear visibility is especially important in winter conditions, and good wiper blades help ensure you can see the road even during heavy snow or freezing rain. If your wipers are more than a year old or not performing well, replacing them before winter is a smart move. And that covers the main things you'll want to check before winter driving really sets in. One last tip I recommend is keeping your gas tank at least half full during the colder months. It helps prevent moisture buildup inside the fuel system and ensures you have plenty of fuel in case you get stuck or delayed in bad weather. If you have any other winter driving tips or routines you follow, be sure to let me know down in the comments. I always like hearing what works for other people. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe below for more car-related videos. And with that, I'll see you in the next one.